1968 GTO. Got her up on the rotisserie. We're going to get the bottom here blasted and cleaned up a little bit. We put these outer wheel houses on. This is all 15 years ago, back to 2008. Get all this stuff cleaned up. Put the floor pan without pulling the body. If I had to do it again, I would recommend definitely pulling the body and get a floor pan that's got the floor braces in it. So made this piece here, welded that in. Got to do a little patchwork down here. Then these other pieces here, got a couple little spots here and there that we got to put in. And then the headers here, we're just going to give them a quick blast and probably just high heat black them. That's really about all it needs. Got another piece made for down here. I don't really want to replace the whole front floor section. We got this piece welded in here on the firewall. Putting aftermarket air in from vintage air. And then we got a little bit of patchwork to do up here. So hopefully here in a couple hours we should have her all cleaned up and see what happens. Tried one of those Bauer type or SCT contour sanders on here. Here's what the top looked from sitting in bare metal all these years, and then went ahead and hit it. It only took about 10 minutes to do all this. So if you people want to try one, I'd highly recommend it. Them things are awesome. We'll cut you back in later.